So imagine having hundreds of thousands, but part of one of its largest teams. Up to 1 million strong, this colony can't survive long without eating. So every morning, the best hunters leave together with one mission: to find food. They keep in constant communication through smell and touch, and spread out into a column 20 meters wide. To flush prey out of hiding, a bush cricket. Too big for an ant to tackle alone, she sends out an airborne chemical signal, calling for reinforcements. Her friends respond without delay. Working together, army ants can take down animals 1,500 times their own weight. Link legs and support each other to engineer living bridges 10 times their body length.